Hello everyone. Today we are see about cholera. Cholera. Cholera is Greek word which means gutter of roof. It is caused by bacteria Vibrio cholerae. It is discovered by Robert Koch in 1883 during diarrhea outbreak in Egypt. Vibrio cholera, comma-shaped, curved and rod-shaped bacteria of 2 to 4 micrometer long, motile by means of polar flagella. Vibrio cholerae and other vibrios grow well at 37 degrees on many different media. Colonies, convex, smooth, round and opaque. Cholera common symptoms: sudden onset of diarrhea, nausea and vomiting, fever, rapidly weight loss, fast heartbeat, dry mouth, dizziness, low blood pressure. Etiological agent: Vibrio cholera is a member of Vibrionaceae family of curved gram-negative rods that are found in coastal waters and estuaries. Vibrio cholerae best grow in salt, sufficient organic nutrient and associated with zooplankton. It is classified into more than 200 serogroups based on the O-antigens of lipopolysaccharide that only O1 and O139 serogroup caused epidemic cholera. The O1 antigen is further classified into two biotypes, classical and E1ter. There are two major serotypes, Ogawa and Inaba, which vary in prevalence over time. Pathogenesis and pathophysiology. The majority are killed by caustic acid. Surveilling organism colonies, the small intestine and elaborate cholera-toxin, the major virulence factor for pathogenic strains of Vibrio cholerae. Cholera toxin is a protein exotoxin that consists of a single subunit associated with 5 B units. The B subunit bentamer bind to the ganglioside G1 on eukaryotic cell and the A subunit translocated intertranscellularly where it acts enzymatically to activate adenylate cyclase and evaluate intercellularly CAMP. This leads to chloride secretion through the apical chloride channel and secrete diarrhea. Epidemiology. Cholera is epidemic in many areas of Asia and Africa. In Asia, cholera occurs seasonally before and after moon season rains, and the incidence of disease peaks in children younger than 5 years. Cholera epidemic occur in a longer cycle superimposed on existing endemic diseases. This pattern related to declining levels of population level immunity from a previous outbreak overlaid on cycle of climatic variability. Epidemiology. Cholera affects all age group and epidemics can be associated with high case of fatality rates. Environmental factors are important in the epidemiology of cholera. Changes in surface water temperature and terrestrial nutrient discharges leads to the proliferation of phytoplankton and zooplankton and a consequent increase in Vibrio cholerae. Transmission of cholera. Vibrio cholerae O1 who are asymptomatic generally shared the organism for only a few days. However, patients who are symptomatic shared the organism between 2 days and 2 weeks and rarely longer. Transmission of cholera within households has been documented. Vibrio cholera are present in human stool, both as individual planktonic cells as well as in biofilm-like aggregates. In water, organism converted in conventional viable environmental cells within 24 hours. These organisms are infectious upon reintroduction into humans. Although the infectious dose in this form is not known, filtration of water reduces the cholera transmission by nearly 50%, consistent with removal of organism attached to the zooplankton. Diagnosis. Vibrio cholera infected can be confirmed by isolation of the organism from stools on selective media followed by biochemical test as well as serogroup and serotyping with specific antibiotics. Enrichment of stool in alkaline peptone water can increase the sensitivity of culture. Cholera can be rapidly diagnosed by examining fresh human stool under 400x dark field microscope for vibrio shaped cells with darting motility that is abrogate with specific antibody. Approximately half of culture positive stools are positive or dark field microscope. Prevention of cholera. Education on hygienic practices, antibiotic prophylaxis to household contacts, provision of safe water, uncontaminated water to the population, take vaccination against cholera. Thank you.